How to add a poll on Instagram post or Reels. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So for that you need to update your Instagram to the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. After that, simply open your Instagram as it is. Now even if you post it or you are posting it in story and on your feed or you are posting any kind of reels, then you can see the very option of sticker right there. When you go through the sticker option, you can see there are many options like questions, locations and others. Now what you need to tap is tap on the poll option. Now you can just create a question and then you can just create some option right here, and if you want to add other option then you can just tap here, and if you are done just tap on the done option here, and you are done by just posting it on your story. And if people choose it, then you can see the percentage of people that have agreed, disagreed or choose any option of your poll. So this is how you can create it very simply. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.